serving Bush's grilled beans instead. Just like baked beans are great with hot conversion, Bush's grilling beans are specially seasoned to complement the taste of premium grilled meat. Or in brown sugar.
Southern Pit Barbecue.
I'm like that. Enjoy all 4 premium flavors of Bush's grilling beans.
These days, people are catching on to Walmart's unbeatable prices. Unbeatable prices on groceries. Unbeatable prices on the things your family needs every day. No wonder word is getting around. Save money, live better. Walmart.
I don't like healthy. Healthy, yeah.
Out with Rosoni Smart Taste. Kids can't tell it has calcium and fiber because Smart Taste is delicious white pasta. Rosoni. Simply perfect pasta.
Bless you, Nick. You feel better? Nikki, feel better?